Yo, what is going on, Ill Dreams family? And today is daily vlog number 18, and today is Saturday, and I got a bunch of family and stuff coming over for fireworks and food. I'm about to show you the fit real quick. This USA shirt, Billabong shorts. Alright, so I just left my house. I'm meeting Maria in like 10 minutes. I'm about to go pick her up, and then we're gonna go back to the house, and my family should be coming at the same time that I get. Alright guys, so I just picked up my girl, 4th of July, and we had a train. Did we? Yes, we did. Just got the pizza, got 6 Little Caesars, little bowl of salad, got a bunch of drinks.
Did you bring those lighters out here?
Right.
F out of here. FOH.
Don't be mad. Wow. Don't be mad at me. That used to be my background for that, man.
Really?
We got it at the last second. Dang.
Little bitch of Betty Crocker, whipping up them pies, keep my chickens by the fire. If you get caught, I ain't getting caught. She a ear. I promise I'm a...
Alright, my hair's just really wet. I just got out the shower, but I had a great night with family and friends. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Subscribe to Ill Dreams, and we'll see you on the next video.